Let's talk to Wilson Leung. He is the Chief Market Strategist for TrendsetterFX. Very good morning to you, Wilson.
Good morning, Nick.
Okay, we've got two slides. You kindly sent over a daily and a weekly chart of the euro dollar. Let's kick off with the euro US dollar. What are your latest thoughts?
Well, last Tuesday when I spoke, I recommended to short the euro at 114.1890, and the high turned out to be 94, and price hit a 2-month low on Friday at 113.36. And looking at the daily chart, Nick, it looks like the market is very eager to retest this year's low, 113.01. But so far, we are lacking a bit of negative catalyst for traders to be brave enough to knock the euro down from current level, which is 113.3. But I think that from the technical indicators, we don't need to wait until Friday's non-farm payroll to give us the direction. So I think that as long as we see the euro cannot go above 114.36, I drew the previous support trend line, which is now a resistance line. As long as the euro cannot close above 114.32, then I am confident that the euro would retest 113.01, and a break of that would open the way for the euro to extend the medium-term downtrend to the downside target I have said many times before, 112 even. So my recommendation for the week in next few days is to sell the euro just on recovery, say to 114 even, and then target 112.50 and stop loss 114.50. If we close above 114.32, then the upside risk is for a strong retracement of the decline from 116.15. We will see a bounce back to 115.50 or even 116 if the Friday's payrolls turns out to be a disappointment. So that's my take on the euro in the next few days, Nick.
Understood. Let's move on to the weekly chart now. What are the key levels here?
The key levels obviously is the this year's low, the 30-month low, 113.01.
Yeah.
And we know that there's option barrier there, and if we break 113, which I am betting that it will break 113, then we will see a swift decline to a 112, maybe 111.50. But I think that on the weekly chart, it looks like that we have seen some loss of momentum, which I call bullish convergences. So I think the psychological support 110 is unlikely to be broken. So I think that there's a likelihood that the euro will hit a bottom before the end of the year, and we will see a strong rebound to retrace the entire decline from this year's high, 125.55. Still a euro bear for the time being, and if we close above 118.15, so that would indicate the pullback from 125.55 to retrace the entire uptrend from 103.41 has ended. Then we will see a euro popping back up to 120 because the market is short on the euro. So that's my weekly outlook for the next few weeks on the euro, Nick.
Wilson, very good. Thank you for your time. That's Wilson Leung from TrendsetterFX.
Pleasure.